Hello, young explorers. Today we will learn animal sounds with Shifa and Keya. Keya, say hi.
Hi.
Okay. How cow says?
Boo.
Speak loudly.
Boo.
Okay. And how goat says? How donkey says?
Hee-haw.
Yes, speak loudly.
Hee-haw.
Yeehaw, good.
Donkey is so
And
cute.
donkey's so cute. And how dog bark? Boo. Yes. And how cat sound?
Meow.
Yeah?
Cat meow.
Speak loudly.
Meow.
Meow.
Cat is so cute.
Cat is so cute.
We can play with it.
Yes, you can play with it. And how duck sounds?
Quack,
Quack,
quack.
quack, quack.
Ugly.
Ugly duckling. And how lion roar?
Roar. Lion is so scary. Lion's so scary.
Lion is so scary.
We're going to the zoo.
Yes. And how horse sounds?
Yeah.
Nee. How Shifa? Nee. And how pig sound? Oink, oink, oink.
The pig is jumping to the mud.
Yes, pig is jumping to the mud.
Mud is so dirty.
Yes, mud is so dirty. And how sheep sounds?
Bah.
Bah. Bah.
Bah.
And how rabbit sound? Whoop, whoop,
Hop, 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 hop.
And how frog sound?
Ribbit, ribbit.
Rabbit. How yeah? Rabbit.
Ribbit is catching and the fly.
Yes. And how owl sound? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah.
He's so angry.
Yes. And how honeybee sound?
Bite on it.
Yes,
Never
honeybee
get-
is biting. It's
But-
so
but-
dangerous.
But we will get hurt, but we will cry.
Yes. And how elephant sound?
Drum! He's trumpet!
Yes.
He's going to drink water.
Yes, he do trumpet. And how wolf sound?
A woo!
Ooh, yeah, how? Ooh.
He's going to the forest.
Yes. And they are calling their natives and their friends. So they say, ooh.
Their
like
friends.
that.
Oh.
And how snake sound?
Snake is very bite on you.
No, why snake should bite me? Okay, Shifa and Keya, say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye bye.
See you, bye-bye.